Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Homerpepe token. Now Homer space Pepe is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token right now is in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. They are up 184.14%. Now this is very much a meme token. They're obviously trying to capitalize on how well, first of all, the Pepe token did by incorporating Pepe into this meme. And then the Homer token, the Homer Simpson token did amazing as well. So now they're combining the two, and now we have Homerpepe. Up 184% on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So this is on 10,209 watch list, this token here. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, if you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Homerpepe token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their webpage, homerpepe.club. You probably will not have to change slippage because on their webpage it says 0% tax. Besides that, you could probably find the contract address on their socials as well. They do have lots of socials on their webpage, homerpepe.club. If you scroll down to the very bottom of their webpage, you can find a Twitter, Telegram, Medium articles, YouTube channel, GitHub, Reddit, and a contact email. So all sorts of good links there. According to their Etherscan, there is a total supply here of 420 quadrillion tokens. Right now, 562 holders, 1,342 transfers, and 9 decimal places on this token. So, on CoinMarketCap, it does have a little blurb here. It talks about what this token is. So it says, Homerpepe, the meme coin that'll leave you laughing all the way to the bank, or maybe just to the nearest convenience store for some snacks. We don't judge. We know what you're thinking. Another cryptocurrency? Snooze fest, but wait, hear us out. Homerpepe is not your average run-of-the-mill digital currency. It's a fun and playful ways to dip your toes into the world of crypto while also having a good laugh. Our mascot, Homerpepe, is a lovable and hilarious character that will have you chuckling every time you see him. Plus, with their easy-to-use platform, you'll be able to buy and trade Homerpepe with ease, even if you're a crypto newbie. But that's not all. We're also committed to giving back to the community. A portion of every transaction made with Homerpepe will go towards supporting various charitable causes. So not only will you be investing in your own financial future, but you'll also be making a positive impact on the world around you. So come on, what are you waiting for? Join Homerpepe movement and let's have some fun while making some money, hopefully, fingers crossed. Now, on their webpage, they do have frequently asked questions like, what is Homerpepe? Why is Homerpepe using blockchain technology? I mean, what? Okay. There's also, what platforms is Homerpepe currently available on? So they have a game here. So it says, We think that you as a player and consumer are entitled to not only greater transparency, ownership, and freedom, but also a genuinely fun gaming experience with a narrative and community. Homerpepe aims to deliver all of these. In addition, tokenization would enable transferability of in-game assets across the evolving Homerpepe galaxy. What platforms is Homerpepe currently available on? Well, Homerpepe is a mobile game supporting both Android and iOS and is available on the Google Play or Apple App Store. So, and then it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So it shows you how to buy this token if you didn't understand what I said about using your MetaMask wallet. And it also talks about how to get an NFT on here as well. Connect your head portrait NFT. Select the following network. Interesting. Okay, so they do have a roadmap on here. Phase 1, website, community, pink sale fair launch. So it looks like they had a pink sale fair launch. How did I miss that? Usually I see the pink sale fair launches. This one was on Ethereum, so maybe I missed it for that. I don't know. Either way, Uniswap. And then more Telegram members, post-launch marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, more holders, 5,000 Telegram members, phase 3, more holders, central exchange listings, partnerships. So not much on the roadmap there. I thought they had a game here. Where's the game at? So they have it says Telegram AI bot. So the Homerpepe chat bot will be fully integrated into the Telegram as a standalone bot that can be added into a Telegram group by a channel admin. Group or server members will be able to use. You'll have limited access to the chat bot and interact seamlessly, but we'll have the option to upgrade plans. So yeah, 0% tax. Doesn't say anything about the game except in the frequently asked questions, so that's very strange. Yeah, I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt. First of all, because it's very confusing how they keep saying there's a game. It's not in the roadmap. For some reason, they're saying there's a game on iOS or Android, but they have no link to it whatsoever. On their Medium articles here, it talks about ever Dreamsoft in prime position to drive blockchain gaming growth. So maybe they have they're talking, but there's no links on there. They talk about this ever Dreamsoft gaming company in Medium articles in Japan, but then there's no links to anything on there either. 24,000 Telegram followers, which is crazy because that does not match how many token holders they have. They only have 500 token holders. Maybe they didn't have a pink sale pre-sale because I never saw this on pink sale. Let me check actually. I just think that maybe they copy, this. Maybe the people who made this token have also made a lot of other tokens and kind of just copy pasted information from other web pages onto this one and kind of screwed up a bit. Let me check here because I don't even think they had a Homerpepe, right? Homerpepe. There's a lot of Homer coins on here. No, there's no Homerpepe on pink sale, just like I thought. So, yeah, they did not have a pink sale pre-sale. There's an insane amount of Homer coins on here. This one I never looked at either. Homer. Okay, well, this one looks like this one sold 100 Ethereum, doesn't even have an audit or anything. But anyways, I digress. It is not on pink sale. They do not have a game that I can see. I don't know what's going on with this token. There's no audit. There's no KYC. Take this token with a grain of salt. I just did another video on a token called Homer 3D. That's a brand new token live on pink sale. Like in a day or so, it starts its pre-sale. So check that video out. They have an audit at least, and their game is live. You can play their game now, where you fight a poo. So check that video out. Homer 3D, I'm going to link that in a second up here. But yeah, this token, I mean, I don't want to say doesn't look good because you never know, but you get the idea. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Homerpepe? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.